Elders Corner.
My people, welcome to Elders Corner TV News, and me, Elder 101, they talk this news today. Before we go into the news, make I give you the news headlamp. Hate speech bill with National Assembly for Nigeria one pass. The Senate for Nigeria, Federal Republic of Nigeria, don't talk say e get one bill where they go sign into law. Say that bill na hate speech bill na they call am. According to Senate, they talk say if they don't pass this bill, sign them into law. Say anybody when talk something for social media, then the thing can cause reaction. People can't die and say the thing, and if the chance say the thing, he post na bad thing, na he be say na hate speech. And so anybody will do that kind of thing, the penalty na death. They say na death. So now, when they say penalty na death, what it mean be say if it be through firing squad or they go say hanging or stoned to death, now it be the punishment for hate speech. Federal government and the Senate, they talk say the reason why they won't do it now because of the people. Say people they die unnecessarily because of some comments where some people they make, especially for social media. So now it make them want pass the law so that people no go they die anyhow again. So, but this thing when Senate, this bill now we don't go first reading, where everybody they cry. So everybody for Nigeria say now lie, say they don't want that bill because the bill it no make sense. Say no be waiting Nigeria need. Now it be that. But for Elders Corner here, the question where we get for federal government be say this bill so where they say they won't pass into law will be for hate speech. Waiting bring them. Anybody can complain to federal government say a brother died because of hate speech? Now question where they go, or federal government go answer us. Now, many people, we Elders Corner here with the advice, many people know to verse for the bill. But you get question where we go see ask federal government before we go talk whether this bill good or no good. Now, since federal government no want make the masses die, make people where vote where they vote and people where they rule make them no die. Since that be the purpose of this bill is good. But waiting go be the punishment for politician during campaign. In say go bring good road, it go bring hospital for a community so people no go they die again. When I say and death don't come out again, no. So people no go they die again because of the hospital it bring. So people make their vote and say it go bring all those things. Now they can't vote am. The vote and finish, it disappear. All the money where they pay him, he collect. The money they give him, he take develop a constituency, he chop. Now, for us now, that one now hate promise. You promise and you fail. Now hate promise. Waiting be the punishment for any politician where do hate promise. We know na plan no because now this thing I Senate. Una we sit down for Senate there where they talk hate speech there now. All the promises when I promise people, say when I go do good road, they go do hospital, they go do this one, they go do that one. None of anything when I do there. When I no do one. People they die every day for road, bad road. People they die because ordinary malaria they kill people for your village. Now you never do bill where go address that matter. When they do bill for hate speech, no, mona pause for the hate speech first. Mona do bill for hate promise. Say any politician will promise anything and he enter power and no do one, may they kill him first. May they do death. Them they'll call him hate promise. When they call do one, they call kill 2 senators or 4 senators who will not say on a serious. Una go do something where go favor una so that if una do bad thing, nobody go talk, everybody go shut up. Now make una say una want do hate speech bill. Make una first do the bill. Or Nigeria no get educational system, they bad. Even UNESCO recommend say 20% of national budget should be put into education for all the countries. All the developed countries don't implement them. Nigeria and some African country, it be like saying only 2% of the budget they go to education. Even the 2%, the other set of people go even loot them. Una don't kill them. So now they say hate speech. So that everybody go quiet if they misbehave. They go quiet. See, if you do good thing, they go talk on social media. If you do bad thing, they go see talk am. That time when Baba dey sick, when he go London, stay for almost 120 days for there. No Osinbajo come enter. Osinbajo come do dollar fall down. He go Niger Delta settle quarrel. All the people when they make themselves say they be God, they sack all of them. Economy of Nigeria move forward. Social media they talk and say Osinbajo they try you. Osinbajo they try you. So if I do bad thing now, I say make social media, make people no talk. That is why I want to do hate speech bill, so that I go use and tie people mouth for where no not sign any that bill. Mona do bill fair. The problem of Nigeria not be hate speech. The problem of Nigeria now no light, no road, hunger. Una no they produce anything, but on a block border, but they no bring goods. Now be the problem of Nigeria, not be hate speech. Mona no let me verse for here. We don't government wanna hear this news. Na me they talk that's the 101. Na me they talk and na that's corner. This news they reach in our ear. Mona hear and mona hear. I bet my people wanna know verse the way I talk the news because at the verse here this hate speech thing. Maybe they do hate promise. They can't kill themselves first before they can't do the hate speech. Now how they want to tie people, make them no talk again. They tie your mouth, no talk again. And they want to try do say no to hate speech bill. No, no sign now. Sign say light go day constantly. Sign that bill. And maybe we know. Sign say anybody will loot money, may they kill them. Sign say the constituency development they give senator, they go use and do road. They go give somebody 70 million. Take for constituency. He go put signboard for his village. Welcome to ABCD village. The amount that they do that signboard, they say na 10 million. Nobody go talk. No big go kill them. Now they say hate speech because poor people fit talk say, and I know they do us well, and they say hate speech. My people don't know verse. Now so the news reached today. That's so when that's corner news. Now be this. These people that say we no get sense. Before we go come up for here, make we go EDAC dictionary. If you know say you don't want your fish, no use your teeth cut the fish. Federal government for na get sense, wanna go understand what this thing mean. Now, so the news go to end today. Mona try follow us for our YouTube channel. Mona try subscribe there. Follow us for Instagram and Facebook and even Twitter. We did there. So this TV where they watch. So now this news, that button, that red button for your YouTube, click on the bell where they touch them. They no go charge you for the bell, the things where they touch. So they no go charge you, so that you whenever post news. You go see the news quick. And I saw it be, my people. And me at the 101. And I saw the news released today. I want to come out. I want to go check what they play for today so that I go report the news. Match the grant.
Elders Corner.